করতালির মধ্য দিয়ে আমরা আজকের অনুষ্ঠানের শুভ সূচনা করলাম। আমাদের মাননীয় অতিথিবর্গ যারা গেছে জল সিঞ্চনের মধ্য দিয়ে
Tripura has a living history. We have a kingdom, we have a dynasty, we have past glorious history. Tripura has a record of living peacefully, coexistent of both communities. And we have also witnessed during the 71 war, where people of Tripura have shown the gratitude and sympathy to other communities. Knowing all this history, past history, Tripura live as example in India. And in Kokborok is spoken as many as by around 15 lakhs population. We have in Tripura, we are in Bangladesh, we are in Mizoram, Assam. An event I was told in Ladakh side. So around 15 to 20 lakhs population all over the country and other country spoken in Kokborok. And we have a rich language. our song, our culture, our tradition. And the language of Kokborok, especially I want to mention here about the counting method. How beautiful our counting method. You will not find anywhere in the world, I can say, about the counting method. How we count different items, different things. I just note down a little bit here. See, if you count round one, kolsa, kolnui, which is round. Kolsa, kolnui, koltham, kolbi, like that. If you count, say for leaves, how we count? 3 leaves, for example. Lysa, Laini, Laitham, library. If you count people, human being, how do you say? Koraksa, Korande, Koroktam, Korokburi. Which identify it is human being. If you count animal, Posu Poki, আমরা কি বলি? Like Masa Mangne Baktam. Masa mean animal. Human being mean Koroksa, with head. You will not find anywhere in the world. When you count animal, possibly you count differently. Tog masa mangne makta mabri, pun masa mangne makta mabri. But if you count human being, we count differently. We count khoroksha, khoromli, khoroktam, khorokburi. If you count again fruit, I will say for the fall. How we count? Thaisa, Thainei, Thaitam, Thaibri, Thaiba, Thaidolader. It is, we identify, it's a fruit. Jackfruit, for example. Any kind, pineapple, we count Thaisa, Thainei, Thaitam, Thaibri, Thaiba. Anywhere in the world, this counting method you will not find. This cloth, for example, how we count? Kangsa, Kanglei, Kangtham, Kanguri, Gangba. This only we identify cloth, they leaf. So there are so many things. Even counting method is very peculiar in Kokborok language. So this thing I was really contemplating how the beautiful the language we are. But unfortunately, we cannot progress systematically. There is no language, even in Kokborok language was introduced as the first language in Tripura. But most people pronounce this second language. No.